I'm Chris Pruett. I'm the product manager with NS ARC. Spent quite a bit of time in the actual manufacturing of the wire, and now focusing on the welding industry as part of my product manager role. The actual manufacturing process can be detailed. Chemistries are important when you're manufacturing wire. How you manufacture it, the finish, what type of applications they're going to be used in will play into what type of lubricants and things like that. The actual plating of the wire, I've got quite a bit of experience in understanding plating and how that affects the finished product, whether it's in the application or the weld, or whether it's adhesion and how the lubricants draw through particular areas. That's where my expertise would lie.
NS ARC is the largest dedicated welding wire brand in the United States today.
We specialize in wire. We don't offer an array of products into the welding industry. We focus on wire and how that affects the manufacturing process for our end users. So NS ARC is launching into a new era as a company. We are focused on innovation, new products, meeting our customers' needs in the filler metal world. We want to make sure that we're identifying those needs, we're hearing them, we're taking it back to the manufacturing facility, understanding what we need to do and what changes we need to make, or what innovations we need to make to actually meet their needs. Specific innovations that we're looking to make are expanding our portfolio on the solid wire. We are looking to expand our portfolio in cord wires as well, add lines of aluminum and stainless steel and different filler metals. So we're looking at all of those right now and prioritizing them based upon what the market's telling us today. As a product manager, the market is telling us what we should manufacture based upon the volume that's going out. So we look at that and we understand what's driving that, and we're looking to add those products into our portfolio. NS ARC's specifically positioned as a made and melt or a manufacturer of USA made product. It gives us the ability to go out and look at the market and identify where is there a gap in the market from a USA made product. And so we're able to look at that, and that's where we're focusing our efforts, is being able to source our wire as a made and melt product and then provide that to the market. So NS ARC offers several different product lines. We offer the National ARC, which is our premier product. Typically it is made and melt in the USA. It is our premier product, both in copper and copper-free. NS ARC has a standard arc line as well. It is our second tier product. It's focused more on the usability. It's a bit more of an economy for the user, providing a customer a value that's going to get them similar results to what they can get from a globally sourced product. Our focus is on our people, training our people, but getting those people to the customer interface so that they're able to identify challenges up front with the customer and tailor make our solution to them, whether that's a packaging solution, a lube solution. Very important that we identify what those needs are and tailor make what we have to that customer. When you deal with a big box supplier, you're not going to typically see that. You're going to see, this is how we do it, this is the way we do it. We're not interested in changing that. That's not NS ARC. We truly want to listen to our customers, and we want to help them bring solutions. So the Pit Crew is a revitalization. It is a personalization of selling welding filler metals into the market. It's bringing a team that has a broad range of knowledge across different spaces and having them identify what's going on in a customer's facility, able to truly be a consultant for them, and to understand what's going on in their process. The motivation to partner with CLOOS is that they have a specific skill set that they bring to the consulting and to the pit crew format. So they're able to bring us a really good base of knowledge around robotics and around automation. They have people with many, many years of experience that we find of significant value that can tell us, these are the challenges that we face inside of this space, the robotics and the automation space, and we're able to change what we do based upon the consultation they're giving us. So that's why we see value in really partnering with somebody that has that kind of experience. With the partnership with NS ARC and CLOOS, we're able to eliminate the need for competition necessarily between the two companies. We're collaborating to help each other grow, to help each other move forward, from the exposure on social media to the exposure in the marketplace to partnering to go into customers to provide solutions. We're able to pull each other up, pull each other through some challenging spaces where we can lean on each other's knowledge base to grow. NS ARC and CLOOS have a common vision of putting the customer first. And so it's a natural fit for us to come together to understand what the customer's needs are and put them first so that they understand the value of this partnership and what we do to bring value to the market. So I would say that NS ARC is uniquely positioned today in that we are in a stage of innovation. So customers have an ability to come to us to have a broad range of expertise in our people, but also take advantage of what we're trying to do in the market today, and that is to grow and to be innovative. And so if a customer has a unique challenge that they would like to bring to us, we're able to address that at a very high level, even within our organization. It gets a ton of exposure in our organization because that's what we're trying to do. We want to innovate, we want to bring solutions, and so the customer's in a unique position to do business with us because of that. I think the first thing that NS ARC solves, and we've seen this in the market in recent times, is that supply chain can be a pretty significant issue. With where we source our green rod, we're able to eliminate a lot of those concerns for a customer. All of our wire, all of our raw material comes from North America. So we're able to source that rod, we're able to keep the supply chain stable by utilizing those sources. We do have some vertical integration in our system to where if things are getting dicey in the market, we're able to address those and still supply a customer. NS ARC is known in the market as providing a wire that typically is lower in spatter. It typically has really good characteristics when it comes to cleanup. You don't have quite as much cleanup with our wire. We have a very, very consistent product. Once you set your system up for NS ARC wire, typically doesn't change. It's really important that you provide a wire that is consistent so that once the product is set to go, and once your manufacturing process is set, that you don't have to make changes causing you inefficiencies in the process, causing you downtime or troubleshooting time. Processability is extremely important in the customer's end use. So we focus on making sure that we eliminate the variables that would go into causing feedability issues, that once the wire is set to go, it's going to run consistently over long periods of time. Ideally, in this partnership, we're able to pool our resources. We're able to give them product. They're able to run it through their robots and cobots and understand how the characteristics of the wire play out in that process. We're able to do product comparisons and benchmarking through that robot, which is a really cool opportunity. So we're in the infancy stages of doing that. Really looking forward to how we perform and how we can partner to market that and bring it to market together.